Alright, we're about to pull the first spot.
We're live. Here we go. Let me see.
Side.
I need to watch.
Alright, got him. Ito kuya. Ano. Alright.
Ano yan? Pinupull ka lang ng kamay?
Hindi, set pa rito sa puller. Okay.
So I want to keep an eye on this.
Yeah, pot's a little bit heavy.
Nurse, model ka? Oo. Kaya ko tingin ka eh. Hindi ka natin ko eh. Paano mo ulit? Kenneth.
Norm, there's some mats right here. You grab these rubber mats.
Okay, right here.
Throw them over the side right here.
Oo, magbibilang.
So just protect the paint. There we go. Yep.
Now you stay there.
Alright, there you go.
First time din ni Ken. First time niya rin to, kaya mag-ipo ng first time niya rin siya. Kagaya sa atin eh, trollet lang eh, ipon na eh, di ba? Yes, Ocean! Pero kahapon hindi naman nakakaman-man. Yan, hirap siya. Pumutok kasi.
Kailangan ilagay mo sa kanto yan.
Alright, couple hundred more feet.
It seems like it.
I see it now.
See
Oh,
it?
yeah,
Just
yeah.
watch the anchor on the
Yeah,
side when you pull it up so it doesn't smack the boat.
A little bit more.
Straight, so it should be getting close.
Para ka na nagpipinta ng barahan, no?
Turn that switch off, man. There you go. Get some people on the other side. We're getting tipped over.
60 feet.
That'd be close. I think I see it.
Yeah, I see it now. Right there. I see the two pipes under. Oh, hell yeah. There's some. Not much, though, but they're bigger. Oh. Watch for the anchor. Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah!
Where's the anchor?
Right here.
Ang lalaki! Oh my god!
All right, start counting.
All right, I'm gonna steer us. Because this guy.
We're gonna do it. Ano yung maman? Magbibilang na tayo?
Oo. Uy, may scallop po.
Okay.
Ayan oh.
Grab the cat food and stuff out first, man,
Okay.
before you dump all
Hold
that.
on, hold on.
Yeah. Tatapon. Yeah.
Ang lalaki. Oh my God, that's a big one. It's
Lagyan mo muna dyan sa gilid.
huge.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Jumbo prawns.
Yeah.
Okay, dump. Ayun, may scallops yun. Ha?
Sorry. Huwag mo muna iba ang dandahan.
There you go.
Okay.
Kasinat niya.
Yung mga sumingit oh.
Kawawa naman. Kainin. Oh. Okay.
Sandali ha, sandali. Meron pa.
Ito yun na.
Okay. Ano pa?
Hindi na lang.
You just grab them.
Ay, scallop oh. Palit.
Okay. May scallop pala dito.
Yeah, I want a picture. Hold on.
What?
Oh, where's my phone?
Somebody.
Where?
Alright. Okay. Ano mo? Seset ko ulit yung ano.
Picture. Picture. One,
Ay,
two, three,
okay.
five. Oh,
Dali.
dyan nilalagay?
Yeah.
6, 7, 8. Oh my God, the door! Oh!
That's fun.
Alright, drop it in the same spot. Or you gotta move it.
Let me check. It's good.
Huh?
Do we want to? Does it need any bait?
No, we're good. We're good on the bait right now. Alright, test sandali ha. Drop.
Yeah. Grab that. Watch out, it's down the just like her.
Okay. Launching. Oh, baka mamaya paghila ko sumama ka.
Kala ko naman
Ikaw maging ano?
Buwi.
Wait.
Oh, dapat sinuot mo yung wader mo para may... Uy, may lapu-lapu. Binibiro namin sila doon sa wader nila. Te. Pagsuot nila yung mukha silang grouper.
Oh my God!
Do you know over the Shrimp Shack these are $27.99 a pound?
Yeah.
And you get like 10.
Yeah.
For a pound is like 10 of them because they're so big.
Oh my God! Ano lang yun? Yung isa na yun? Isang ano pa lang? Isang tao pa lang ang nakalimit.
Kalimutan yung count. Bilang na ulit yun.
80.
That's one limit. 80? 80. Oh, wow. One down.
Oh my God!
87.
It's 87.
87. Okay.
Yeah.
Huwag mo i-mix muna yung 7 dun sa kabila.
Kaya nga, hiwalay na nga. Hiwalay na nga.
It's
Si ate
73.
pa. Hindi pa nutay. What's that one right there? That's the cup.
Oh, that's the clip. Oh,
Lip.
oh.
A left.
Oh, that's the one that broke. So,
Yeah, the other one.
Oh,
Fix
the
that
one.
later.
And
Get
here?
a zip tie.
Yeah, no, I didn't drop.
Yeah. Crazy. Not bad, not bad.
Not bad, yeah.
you see? Let's see, let me see.
Oh, Ron. Kain na isa.
Ay, yung mga nubi.
Ah, mga lupi.
Mga nubi. Di ka rito, Ken.
Kain na.
I ate it. There you go. I got video too.
Ah,
Hold on a second.
pero maliit para ano,
May easy.
para madali.
I love this.
Oh, video.
Ready?
Wow.
I'm gonna feel it. Want some cocktail sauce?
No.
This one's cool.
Yes. Seriously.
Right here.
Yummy.
They're sweet, right? Yeah, really good.
Kami bear the sea.
Ken, kumakain ka ng sariwang hipon. Ay,
Oh, good job, Ken.
Para,
Right? Yeah.
para kumakain ng jumping salad.
ay sinipsip pa talaga eh.
Really good.
Fishy yun, no? Talaga tipis ako.
Ano rata?
Grabe ka.
So, ilan? 4.
Really.
Kumain ka?
Oh yeah. Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3.
Ini yung escallop po.
O yung isa mong, yung inano mong isa dito, baka ma-count yun.
Ah, nagbukas tapos gumalis siya.
Ano yan? Scallop.
no, I grabbed the line.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, wow. What?
There,
Small one?
You did?
Yeah.
What line?
I grabbed the line with the kicker motor.
Oh,
Okay.
naka, ano?
Here. Oh. You need the pull? Yeah. No? The bit. Very nice.
okay. We're about to check pot number 2.
Number two. Here we go.
Side.
Meron pa na yung dalawang dalawa lang. Ayun, nanini.
Kuya, sandali. Straight. A bit more.
This one too. This is a big pot.
Mhm. All right. Mhm. Ah, kuya.
Okay.
Balatan mo.
So we're past that thing. There you go. We're good.
Is that the old pot?
Ito yung malaki.
The bigger. Yeah.
Oh. So you haven't really used the other one?
No.
Ay, well,
Yeah.
Okay, we're good.
Kunin ko yung kay Kuya ano. Gusto mo? Kay Kuya. Oo, yung bat. Yung dalawang bat. Kunin ko yun. Tapos kami papagamit natin na. Ilan? Bawat isang tao, isa?
apat na pot. Okay na dito.
Oo, yeah, apat. Yeah. Kaya nga. Minessage ko na si Kuya Rodney.
So
Sabi
may
ko,
mga ganyan-ganyan pa kaya. Hindi naman pwedeng iwanan dito. Wala.
So I put a black piece of electrical tape on our buoy because we're all
uy,
the
nasa
same
Canada
out
na
here.
pala tayo.
We're all be able to tell.
Yeah. Ako pa talaga nakalagay sa ano mo ha, Sara Raisu. Hindi naman ako ang captain ng boat.
Oh yeah, this is the big pot.
Oh, is it?
That's a big
Name
one.
on it for good luck.
Oh. Hopefully, infinite grace, come on. Pangalan niya ng apo ko eh. Gracia.
Infinite.
Oo, si Grace. Siya nagpangalan na. Yung apo ko na yun. Si Grace Marie, yung bunso. Sabi niya ng anak ko wala pa akong pangalan sa...
May ano, sabi, ano ba magandang pangalan sa baby boy? Yung hat, ha? Sabi ko, Tabasco. Maganda.
That kid, Grace, the things that come out of her mouth.
Natalo ka nun.
She's 5 years old. We're over there.
I
We bought like a
know.
little pool, you know, the kids can go swim in. So they're at the house and all the kids are swimming. Neighborhood kids come over. She comes in, she's eating, and she hears the kids outside. She's like, she goes outside, and I don't know how to say it in Tagalog, but it was basically like, hey, you kid, what'd she say?
Pamayawang, sabi niya. Ay, kayo. Tagal niya pa yan. May bayad na yan.
I was like, she's only 5 years old. So,
bayad na yan.
Siniming nasa ano lang yung kiddie pool lang yun. Mga pinsan niya naman yan. Kasi nag-resort kami. Kita niyo kami nagbabayad. Kaya sabi ko,
I'm gonna put some oil too. I got oil.
Yeah.
Ay, umuwi kami.
On this one.
Hindi pa rin kahit maghapon na nagsiswimming, hindi pa rin nasyahan. Hindi, lagyan ko meron na kami daladalang kiddie pool. Lagyan ko tubig. Alam yung mga pinsan niya, dala niya sa bahay.
They got awards from school, and she's kinder.
150 yards.
Yeah. So her award in school was Grace Marie Velasco, most honest.
Most honest.
I was like, oh yeah, that's her. She'll tell you exactly what's on her mind.
Ano ko ba siya na award niya? Siyang siya, sabi ko.
Slipping.
Tuwang ka, kahit ano kung ano yung nakita niya
Slipping.
sa video.
Heavy.
Ilang feet na ba ito dito? Hanggang sa ano na? Sa Rayla.
About 50.
Wait.
Yeah, it's slipping.
I didn't see the pipe yet. About 75.
Sana tomorrow ganito rin maganda rin ang weather, no?
By noon, ang ano.
It's gotta be close.
Yeah, there you go.
Wala na siya malaki.
Oh, hell yeah.
Galing yung ano.
Look at that. Look at that. Not much, but that is all big.
Ayun, nabuksan.
Not really.
What happened? Open?
Bukas. Bukas yun.
Yeah.
Is that the one, bro?
No. Tong ano.
Ang lalaki pa rin, oh my
We're
God.
gonna try to move it.
Probably.
Oh, look at that other one. Why is it so red? Isa, red na red.
Oh.
Tigers.
Pag naluto yan, mas pula pa.
Ilagay ko ng mga ilid.
Okay.
Okay, sandali ha. Tataktak muna natin.
Taktakin. Nanalis ko na yung pain.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's so red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kunin mo na yun.
Okay.
Not bad.
Yeah. Yung winatch namin sa YouTube, dalawa lang yung nakuha nila. Some, they really didn't get anything.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Okay.
You're in the lost. Oh,
Put some.
some oil.
Do you want to
Put,
use different one?
we'll use fresh mackerel,
Fresh mackerel, yeah.
fresh friskies, and then we'll put oil onto the bait tubes.
Okay, sandali ha. Okay.
Nanunuhog din yung...
Ang sakit din kaya makatusok niyan.
Oh.
There, just grab it.
Si Papa ko naman mga ano yung inuhuli niya doon sa Pampanga, di ba?
Sugpo.
So,
Kinakapa namin yun.
okay.
Saka ulang ano yung
Oh, yung ulang.
Tanggal yun, no?
Hindi, yung dito rin, putol kanina. Oo. Kaya nilagyan ko ziplock na eh. Asan yung nakalata?
Sana, Nors, nagdala ka na nila lang mga talaga yung lutuan mo, Nors.
Ito din.
Oo, yan.
Nors.
We'll put fresh ones in.
Alright. We'll be right back.